Hey, welcome to the show. Today we're going to be doing one addition problem. It's a three-digit number plus another three-digit number. If you're interested in doing more problems like this, check out the videos down below. Also check out my other show. It's called Lampofilm. Ton of math videos on there. All right, let's go ahead and get started. This is the ones column, the tens column, and the hundreds column. We always work from this side first, and then we move that way. All right, so let's go ahead and begin. 9 plus 2, 9, 10, 11. That would be 11. So I take the 1, put it right here, carry the other 1. And if you want to try this, just try it on a piece of paper and then check your answer with me later on. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the tens. So I'm going to take 1 plus the 3 is 4, and then 4 plus 4, that's a double fact, 8. Don't be late. I'm going to go ahead and put the 8 right there. And now I'm going to go ahead and add the 100 columns, the 100 columns. All right, this is ones, tens, hundreds. So 7 plus 2, 9. Nueve in Spanish. So we have the answer as 981. How'd you guys do? Put it down in the comments if you want me to do another problem, request something, or just tell me about your favorite cookie. Hey, we'll talk to you later and have a good day. Adios. Goodbye.